men of God. God's heart toward you is unmoved by the failure and the shame of your past. For though a righteous man falls 7 times, he will rise again. There is power in embracing the finished work of Christ. There is value in you. Your best days have already begun. September the 7th and 8th, we're gathering to experience the power that resurrects every dead thing in your life and launches you into the shameless representation of Jesus Christ. It's time to be strong and courageous, not fearful and discouraged, because the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. The harvest is great, and we need you in the home, in your community, in the marketplace, in the church. Register today at www.therefreshing.org.